So these elevators are apparently
On fire service.
on fire service.
But they're not on fire
Or not.
service. I bet they're on Kone controllers. That's Kone.
You would be right.
Yeah, Kone has awful glitches like that. Oops, sorry. These
You're good.
fixtures are interesting.
Whoa.
It's innovation something, but I'm not sure what. Is that prestige? These are fast.
Yeah.
We should probably just take one ride. They're fast, but they're also not fast. At the same time, it's like the height is tall for floors. This is the Northwestern Mutual Building.
Right. Round. Picture of that.
Yeah, I think that's a innovation prestige with like a wide, what is it, bevel? Is what they call it?
I like them. They actually look very nice.
They look similar to the ones that Schindler used to use.
Yeah, those touch sensitive. The ones that,
They
did one that was like touch sensitive.
Yeah, they were typically touch sensitive. They still make those fixtures, but they're not touching them.
Yeah.
I know that.
Here's the elevators that are apparently on fire service.
Yep, it's the same set.
Let's get a shot of the lobby. Oh wow. Oh wow. Lobby's kind of big. Anyway, that's it.